All right. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Yes.
Today, we're gonna show you how to do a Forky Toy Story for Forky do it yourself. Okay? So, what are we gonna need?
We're gonna need Play-Doh,
Craft palettes,
palettes,
pipe cleaners, frosty ruler, a fork, and what do you need else? Scissors and glue.
Yes.
And we're gonna have two special guests, the robots of Discovery of McDonald's. Play-Doh? Okay. Okay, any color you have. Alright, so we are gonna also need a pair of eyes. One big and then another one is small. So this is the one Forky that we're gonna do. This is the Toy Story Forky that we're gonna do. So Leo is working on the mouth. Yeah, you can do it here on the table so your friends can see how to do it. Here is the mouth. Okay, so let's see if if you can start doing the face of Forky. Okay, so are you ready with the mouth? Can you show? So it's as simple as put it, right? You don't need glue. No, the plate is gonna paste perfectly on the fork. This is a plastic fork, by the way. And then yeah, this is the mouth that Leo wants the Forky to have. Okay, so after that, Leo, then you want to put the eyes. Okay, the eyebrows. Okay, the one in red, perfect. And then with a little bit of Play-Doh, you don't need glue for the eyes, right? Can you put the fork here, Leo, please? So yeah. So you're gonna paste the eyes with a little bit of Play-Doh. Okay, so I'm opening it. Can you take a little bit of, we're gonna use white Play-Doh. Okay, so you're gonna make up small balls, tiny balls. Yep, and that's what you're gonna use to the eyes. Okay. Perfect. With that, then
We put it here.
okay. Oh, great! And then a little bit more of white Play-Doh. Great. Okay, so we have the face of Forky. Now, with this is gonna be the base. Okay.
Yes.
So this Play-Doh ball. So you're gonna, exactly, but we're gonna cut a little. All right, so we have cut the craft palette and the fork. So you can put the base now, Leito. Okay, show how it looks like. Great. Look.
You look like a fork in a bowl.
Like a fork in a bowl. Do you want to do it differently? Like This? Like this?
Yes.
Okay. So now you're going to make the hands. What color you want to use with the pipe cleaners? Okay, the red one. Okay, so how do we do the hands? Okay, so this is how it should look like. No. What? We're gonna take the pipe cleaner like this distance. We're gonna do the first finger here. Okay. Then second finger is going to be like this. And third finger is gonna look like this. Okay, and then we're gonna make it together so that it looks kind of the hands. Alright, now that you have the hands, okay, look, now you can put it. So how you do it, you know. Turn it to the left, and then the other side you turn it to the right, making kind of a ribbon, exactly. And there you go, you have the hands of Forky. Bisla?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, and then you put on the foot, right? Each is gonna,
I'm gonna put it. A little bit of help.
of course, I can. Thank you for doing it. Right? Okay, so we put on the foot, on each one on this way, okay, and ta-da! You got a Forky. Do it yourself. What else do we need?
But we need to.
The rainbow, of course. That's why.
A little bit of this, and this.
Perfect then, so you can make it yourself. So first we need red for the rainbow. Wow. Ta-da! Okay, so this is how Forky looks like. Okay, so we did the rainbow, and that's it. Right, Lau? We did it. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do your Forky Toy Story 4 do it yourself. Pretty easy, right? Okay. See you.
Bye.
Bye.